From day one, I've really had professors know who I am and also know what my goals are and help me achieve those.
Yeah, the research is what attracted me to the department.
We study a wide range of things in our department. So I'm on the small end, so I actually study genes, proteins, and protein-protein interactions that are important for plant response to stress. But we also have faculty that study whole plant ecosystems.
Another thing about NC State is, there's plant research going on everywhere, and there's ecological research going on everywhere, and scattered all across the universities.
The department's always been very proud of the fact that it has a wide range. Our slogan would be that we cover everything from molecules to ecosystems.
The culture of the plant biology department is open, friendly, and collaborative. It's open because we have collaborations between many different professors within the department and also a lot of collaborations outside of the department.
The support that I experience as a faculty of color, I think extends to students of color who might be interested in our program. I think people acknowledge the diversity in our program. I think that is one of the strengths of our program. I know that faculty make a sincere effort and are really successful in making sure that students from any background get where they need to be successful in the program and beyond.
I would say it's friendly because you can go to any seminar and talk to any professor and they'll know your name, know what you're working on, and be able to just ask about how you're doing.
The culture in the department is to help each other and especially to help early career folks such as graduate students.
So talking about the facilities and lab equipment, I feel like everything here in our lab is great.
As a lab that does a lot of experimental work, we're really fortunate to have access to the Phytotron, which is this giant wing of Gardner Hall that is full of rooms of growth chambers and other plant growth facilities. The first time I saw it, I felt like a kid in a candy store.
Being a part of the Department of Plant Microbial Biology is great for me as a plant biologist because I get access to many of the things that I really need, from access to the Genome Sciences Laboratory, to access to field stations if I wanted to do something in crops, access to the CMIF, which is a huge confocal microscopy facility, a large microscopy facility that allows me to look at protein-protein interactions inside of plant cells.
NC State also have a Henry 2, the super computer. You can input your data on the server and you can just run the analysis over there.
So this is an exciting time to be in the Department of Plant and Microbial Biology here at NC State. One of those reasons is that we have a very large new building, the Plant Sciences Institute.
And this is a cross-departmental, cross-college endeavor where there will be teams of faculty and graduate students and postdocs working together on serious problems of need in agriculture. In terms of the research projects in plant biology, there are many.
We use plants to study the processes that facilitate and constrain adaptation to climate. For example, we're interested in whether plant populations can evolve quickly enough to keep up with the pace of climate change, and what is it that makes some species rare and restricted to a small number of places on Earth, while others can invade vast swaths of land across the globe.
In my research as a PhD student, I am studying the evolution of plant viruses, specifically viruses of cassava. Cassava is a staple crop in sub-Saharan Africa and is important for smallholder farmers. Part of the research project that I'm on, there's a lab in Kenya where a lot of this research is being done in Nairobi. And we also have collaborators in Tanzania, and through these collaborations, we're able to work at both the local, regional, and global level to solve international problems.
The current project I'm working on is studying the effects of fire on Brazilian savannas. One of the things that attracted me to this project and to the department is the international nature of the work, and also a great opportunity to work with collaborators at the Forest Institute of São Paulo State in Brazil, and other collaborators at state universities in São Paulo.
Our students now have a diverse set of future goals.
One of the things that we do to help prepare students is to make sure that we expose them to as many career options as possible.
Our students also do participate in the university-wide professional development programs, so we've had several students who have gone through the Preparing the Professoriate Program. That's a wonderful program where they are paired up with a professor and they spend a semester observing and then they spend a semester co-teaching a course.
I've been participating in the graduate school's teaching certificate and writing certificate program, which mostly offer workshops on things like pedagogy and writing skills that you might not get other places.
For students who are interested in industry, there's the A2I program.
Accelerate to Industry is a professional development program focused on preparing our graduate students for career readiness. It is really about seeing the whole student and providing them with a holistic approach to their career and industry development.
But there's also a variety of opportunities outside of those two tracks. Many of the students want to pursue a different type of career outside of academia or industry, and there are opportunities through the public science cluster, the science communication cluster, also the genetic engineering and society center. They all have a lot of opportunities for exploring these different areas.
Well, Raleigh is of course, the capital city of North Carolina.
If you can't find it in Raleigh, it's either in Durham or Chapel Hill or Cary or Apex, all these towns that are a half hour away.
I actually grew up about an hour from here. I love living in North Carolina and I love Raleigh.
There are many cute neighborhoods you can decide to live in near campus.
Lots of outdoor festivals, a fantastic dining scene, a great live music scene, great cultural activities.
Oh, there's a ton of green space, actually. It's really nice.
There's a set of greenway trails that goes all around the Triangle area.
One of the other great things about Raleigh is access to other institutions, access to RTP.
The Triangle area is a very international area because of the high-tech industries that are here. That often means if a graduate student's coming with a partner or a spouse, there are often great job opportunities for partners and spouses. And then with the large ag biotech industry, we have great opportunities there for our students.
A professor that I had at NC State is the person who originally got me in contact with the company that I'm working with now and kind of set up that first connection. And I also happen to have classmates from NC State that were already working there. There's so many universities and companies that you're kind of always going to have a familiar face.
So students who are interested in our department should check out our website, contact our Director of Graduate Programs, Dr. Larry Blanton, but also if you see that there is a particular research program that you are interested in, contact that faculty member directly.
One of the ways that we recruit graduate students is through summer research experiences for undergraduates. These are opportunities for you to do research in faculty's lab over the summer, and it really gives you a feel for what it's like to do research, and it gives the faculty advisor a feel for what it's like to work with you as a student. What I tell any student aspiring to go to graduate school is try to test the waters first by working in someone's lab.
One of my favorite things about being in the plant biology program at NC State are the friendships I've made. With those people, I've explored the mountains of North Carolina, gone backpacking, spent holidays together.
One thing I like about it is it's a plant biology program within the Department of Plant and Microbial Biology, and my earlier career was in a Department of Biology, and the zoologist outnumbered us, a small group of plant biologists.
Yeah, I think one of the things I have enjoyed most is one of the things that I did not expect to enjoy much, which is taking cell biology courses.
From the faculty to the students, everybody here are very friendly. And if you will be here, you will feel like at home.